Was not expecting this whatsoever. I guess we'll just have to take a peek inside. Alright, so if you watched my last video, you'll see that I unboxed this mysterious looking briefcase, and that kind of ended in a cliffhanger. So today we're going to take a look inside at the MJXRC X400W quadcopter. Let's experience this thing together. So if we open up this very heavy duty box here, you'll see all custom cut out foam right here. Nice squishy foam on the top there. So we've got a user's manual. Why don't I bring you a little closer in here? This is such a special unboxing experience. I don't know why more companies don't do this kind of thing. Probably because it's pretty expensive to get all this custom cut stuff. So we've got our transmitter right here, and the drone actually sits right under the transmitter. We've already got a full set of props already installed. Very, very nice. Looks like it's got a pretty tiny camera on the bottom. Nice and low profile. I love how this whole drone actually is super low profile. That's gonna make flying gonna be pretty fun. Looks like we've got a full set of prop guards right here. The landing gear is also included with that. And if we take a look in the battery bag and stuff, we've got, ooh, look at this. Whole bunch of stuff. So we got three batteries right here. I think there might be a battery in here. Let's see. Yep, so there is another battery that is inside there. Looks like you might have to unscrew the battery cover to change the batteries, but there's this little hole cut out right here so you can connect them while the battery is still in there without having to unscrew, which is nice. Take a look at those nice LEDs on the bottom. That looks pretty awesome. So a total of 4 batteries right here. We've also got a bunch of, looks like kind of extension cables or maybe charging cables. 4 of these cables right here. That's probably one for each of the batteries. Yep, these are the charging cables, and they all connect to this charging bank right here, which is a USB charging bank, and you can charge up to all 4 batteries at one time. Very, very nice that they include this right here. We've got some other things in this bag. It looks like there's a USB charger for if you just want to charge one battery at a time. This is probably the one that comes with the standard model, not the upgraded one with the more batteries and stuff. Then we've also got the screwdriver to unscrew the battery door there if you want to do that, or just in general if you want to repair something. And then these are the 2 little thumbsticks for the controller right here. So we're just going to pop these on. These did not come pre-installed because it's probably a height issue there, because these poke up quite a bit there. We've also got another full set of props with the screws to go there. Very, very nice. And then lastly, I believe we'll have the phone mount for the remote controller. So this is spring loaded right here to adjust for your phone, and it goes right onto the top of the transmitter right here and holds your phone just fine. If you look in the side of the case here, which I'm still super surprised how well built this case is, there's actually these 4 slots for your 4 batteries. So you can just slide these in right here, so then they're not rattling around when you're transporting them. Great feature. Alright, so there you have it. This is everything that comes with the MJXRC X400W quadcopter. Overall, the design is kind of different from everything that I've seen before. It is literally the flattest drone I've ever seen. It's like a pancake drone. Is that what we should call it? We should call this the pancake drone. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of test flights, and take a look at that camera. It looks really, really small, so I'm not exactly sure how well that camera will do when taking photos and video. We'll also do some range tests and some FPV distance testing and stuff like that. Also check out the battery life and all that good stuff coming up later this week. Thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing of this awesome drone. If you want to check this out, I'll leave the link down below to the Amazon page where you can get this, and it will come with this awesome hard case, the extra batteries, everything included, and the camera. I'll also try to find a link to this without all the special stuff like the case and the batteries, because you really don't need that. This is just for extra precaution and longer flight time, and to look really, really awesome. That's all I got. Have a great day, and as always, don't forget to keep it pro.